What's up everyone, I am Jamie with Three Little Goats Homestead, and today we are in the soaping studio because we are going to make something, and of course today it is going to be soap. So I am tweaking one of my current market recipes. So we live in Arkansas. One thing that we do really great at growing is ticks and rocks, and we also kind of have a specialty in poison ivy. So today we are tweaking one of my activated charcoal soaps because we are going to be adding some calamine to it. So that way it is good for bug bites, it's good for bee stings, and it's good for poison ivy. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I am doing a double batch of this soap. That's why I've got two bowls. And in one bowl I'm actually going to be adding in my calamine clay, which is going to give it a little bit of a pink hue. And then in the other batch I'm going to be using some activated charcoal. Now I've already got my beer powder, my goat powder, and my kaolin clay already mixed into these batches. I am soaping a little bit hot today because I'm doing 8 loaves today. I'm not filming all of them, but it is 90 something degrees outside today. And I don't want to spend all day in my office because it doesn't get very cold in here. So we're soaping a little warm today, which is fine. I might get a little bit of a gel phase. It might crack a little bit, but it'll be fine. That is my mindset right now. So I'm actually going to do my activated charcoal first because we're going to do somewhat of a layered soap. Now, if you've never used activated charcoal, just be warned. It is very powdery and it will make a mess. So be careful or else you will have it everywhere. So I'm going to get that mixed in, and then we're going to add in our lye water solution so we can get soaping. Oh, I am using a mix of essential oils. I've already got them pre-mixed in this jar. I have a blog post that I will link down below going over what essential oils I use in this soap and why. So if you want to check that out, it'll be linked down below. But let's get this soap. See, makes a mess. Let's get it started before I make a mess all over the place. Now that it's come to a trace, it's a very thin trace. I don't need it to be super thick because I've got plenty of time. So I'm going to add in my essential oils. I'm going to get these mixed in, and then we'll get this into the mold. I'm just gonna scrape this down. I didn't burp my blender beforehand. I forgot to. So I have some air bubbles in there that I want to get kind of dissipated before I pour. Alright. Then I'm going to actually use my thermometer to just kind of put my mold on an angle. And then I'm going to, I don't know what I'm going to use for the other one because I didn't think that far ahead. Do I ever think that far ahead? No, I do not ever think that far ahead. We're going to use this mold right here to kind of just get it to slant. You need to make sure you guys are actually in frame. And move some stuff out of the way. Because of the activated charcoal, this does thicken up pretty quickly. So I'm not too worried about it. Stay. And I'm going to kind of just tap these down. They're not going to be super smooth because, well, it's thickened up. So I'm going to let these hang out for a minute and then I'll bring you guys back when we're ready to start the second half. So I've got my bottom layer over there hanging out. Again, I don't really clean things up too well, and I forgot to get my my Calamine lotion, my Calamine powder, a scoop for it. So, but I've already got my goat milk powder, my beer powder, and my kaolin clay already mixed in this one. But we're gonna add in the Calamine so we can get that mixed in. Nice and mixed in. We're going to add in our lye water solution. We're going to bring this to a light trace. Nice and mixed in. Okay, blender. There we go. I'm going to add in my essential oils to this half of the batch now. We're going to get this nice and mixed in. And see what we're going to do here. It's pretty thick now. I don't think I really need to keep it. Yeah, no, I can lay it down flat. It really has only been a few minutes since I poured these guys, but the activated charcoal will thicken up quick. So I'm going to give this a pour. I'm just using my spatula to kind of break the fall. tool for the job. I'm fine that they don't look the same on the top because they're not going to the same places. One will be for the farmer's market and one will actually be for a local store. Now, I've been trying to keep up with the online store. I'm not the best at it right now, but we do have a few things in stock on the store. I try to update it, but sometimes I just forget. So I'm just going to spray these down with some rubbing alcohol, and we're going to set these guys aside and let them harden, and I'll bring you guys back when they're ready to be cut. Alrighty, y'all, it is my favorite part of soap making. It is soap cutting day. So I wasn't actually going to even cut these today because I have a doctor's appointment, but when I went to just check them, they're really hard, so I need to hurry up and get these guys cut, because if not, I may not be able to get them cut later on. Whew. Alright, here they are. Now the line, like I said, it was going to be a clean, crisp, straight line, and I am fine with that. I just like the contrast from the Calamine to the activated charcoal. I just think it looks so cute, and it smells really good too. So I will bring you guys back at the outro. Alright, y'all, so that is what I have got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every single week, and be sure to check out the links down in the description box. I have a whole blog post on essential oils and which ones are good for like poison ivy and bug bites and things like that. So be sure to check that out as well, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!